Hello my sweets. In today's video I will be showing you how I created this look. Enjoy! I love you XOXO hee hee hee.
So I'm first going in with a moisturizer, which is also a primer, 2-in-1 basically, but I see it as a moisturizer, and it's called Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and it's from BOBBI BROWN. And as you can see, please cover my eyes because I've got really bad dark circles since I haven't slept really well and I have been really dehydrated, so yeah, just ignore that. But anyways, I'm just yeah, oh my god, this is going too fast. Okay, so then I'm using this primer oil from, where was it from? Smashbox, sorry, I was too loud. Yeah, so I love this one so much if you want a glowy base before applying your foundation. So I really enjoy using this oil, and I'm just like taking my time massaging it into my skin. And then I use this primer from NARS, which is called Radiance Primer, and it has SPF 35. Also, I've told you about my acne story. I've had acne before and my scars are healing now, so I have scars on my face, as you can see. So we are just about to cover that up with my favorite foundations combined. So I'm combining Huda Beauty foundation in Chai 210B, and then I am using this MAC Studio Face and Body foundation to make it more glowy. So these two foundations are actually my shade. It will look a little bit lighter in the beginning, but then it's going to oxidize because this Huda Beauty foundation does oxidize a bit. So now it's time to conceal my really dark circles. We don't want them in this look, but I am using the Hourglass foundation stick as a concealer, and I'm in the shade Bisque, and then I use my NARS concealer. I don't remember the shade, but I will link it down below. And then I'm just blending it. Yeah, like so. Now I'm just removing that excess foundation on my lips, and then I'm just sorry, okay, I'm going to be serious more. Now I'm using the cream contour by Fenty Beauty, and that's in the shade Teddy, and I'm just blending it in. Blending is the key to a perfect base. So yeah, I'm just fixing so it looks sharp. And now it's time for blush, and I'm using the Milk Makeup Lip Plus Cheek cream blush, and it's in the shade Werk, W-E-R-K, Werk. Now the next step in this makeup tutorial is to smile, because I've been looking too serious for a while. Oh, that rhymed. But anyways, I'm going in with my Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I'm so sorry, I'm so bad at pronouncing all these names. But yeah, it's the Veil, yeah, it's that one. And then I go in with my TILBURY Airbrush Flawless Finish, and I'm in the shade Fair. I just set my eyelid with it, and then I put under my eyes as well to get that nice finish, because I really love this powder. So to to set my cream contour, I go in with this Hourglass bronzer in the shade Radiant Bronze Light and just go over my forehead, my cheek, and yeah, as you can see. I don't need to explain a lot, but yeah. Now I'm using my favorite blush from Hourglass as well, and this one is in the shade Mood Exposure, and honestly this makes everything look so flawless. I just love the color, I love how it looks on the skin. It gives that satin smooth look. Honestly amazing. And then as you can see, I'm going in with my Morphe palette, and I think it's called 350 or 350, I'm not sure, because on the palette it says 350 or even looks like a 0. I think it's called 350. Now it's time for eyeliner, and the eyeliner I use is from the BALM, and it's called Black Liquid Eyeliner. And I had to do my eyeliner, you know, not in front of the camera, otherwise I know for sure that I would mess it up. So yeah, sorry for that. Now I get in with my favorite mascara called Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect, and it's waterproof. And then later on I go in with the Colossal Big Shot waterproof mascara, and both of these mascaras are from Maybelline, and honestly I love these two mascaras so much. Let's just take a break and drink some water. So for lips, I am using my MAC lip liner in the shade Strip Down, and then later on I go in with my MAC lipstick, which is called Peach Stock. Going in with my Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint in the shade Unbutton, and this one actually makes it quite matte, and that's why I later on decided to go in with a lip gloss, because I really like that gloss look. And the lip gloss I am using is from MAC as well, in the shade Very Go Lightly. It's a funny name, but that's the name. But this one is actually one of my favorite lip glosses as well, because I don't know, it just gives your lips this full look, like, oh, just so good. So to set my makeup, I am using this Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray from Charlotte Tilbury. And to achieve this glowy look, I use this glow mist from Pixie, and honestly it really makes your skin, I mean your makeup, your skin, whatever, it makes it really glowy, and that's what I really love with this Pixie glow mist. The last step is to use highlighter, and I always use my Kilowatt highlighter from Fenty Beauty in the shade Huda Baby. It has basically got two colors, but Huda Baby is my favorite. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I really hope you enjoyed my video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah, see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.